Hello students, this is Sadanand Kurella. Today I am here to explain you nutritional diseases. Nutritional diseases are nothing but, we can call it malnutritional diseases. What is meant by malnutrition? Malnutrition is nothing but the process of less intake of nutrients containing food item, or else the condition of less presence of nutrients or completely absence of the nutrients is called malnutrition. Okay, we have many types of malnutritional diseases in our daily life. Protein deficiency, vitamin deficiency, minerals deficiency, or else excess of carbohydrates or less intake of carbohydrates leads to many types of diseases. These diseases are other than bacterial diseases, viral diseases, fungal diseases, overall we can say microbial diseases. These diseases of deficiency leads to very chronic conditions. What is meant by chronic conditions? These are not easily curable. It takes a long time to be cured. Right, exactly. Now we will go one by one. What are the malnutritional diseases? Let me say first of all, protein deficiency malnutritional diseases are nothing but Kwashiorkor disease, and protein and calorie deficiency malnutritional diseases is called marasmus. Marasmus. I told you two deficiency diseases. Number one, Kwashiorkor, and number two, marasmus. These two diseases you have seen in different countries, including India, where in the children less growth will be seen, less intake of nutrients can be occurred. Right, exactly. We can take the best example, Somalia country, African countries, or in some parts of the India where poverty is more. Right? Okay. What is Kwashiorkor disease? First of all, we will know. Kwashiorkor and marasmus both are undernutritional diseases, which are caused by deficiency of nutrients. But there is excess nutrients disease also is there. Over nutritional diseases are there. Under nutritional diseases are there. What is over nutritional disease? The process of excess intake of nutrients. Example we will learn here, that is nothing but obesity disease. First two I told you, deficiency disease, not by excess, just by less intake or complete absence. Complete absence. The first one I told you, protein deficiency disease. Second one I told you, protein and calorie deficiency disease. Right? Let me say the symptoms of Kwashiorkor disease. What is Kwashiorkor disease? It is caused by protein deficiency in our diet. If you take balanced diet, not a problem. But the protein deficiency in your diet leads to, especially in the children, leads to Kwashiorkor disease. Now let me say the symptoms of this disease. Okay, swollen stomach, swelling, nothing but. Swollen ankles, swollen feet, and irritability, mental irritation, less immunity, decreasing of immunity levels, and belly will be swollen, fluffy face, dry skin, diarrhea. These are all the symptoms of Kwashiorkor disease. As you seen in the figure, these all the symptoms easily appears. Right? Okay. Now, after this, let me say marasmus disease. What is marasmus? It is also a deficiency disease. Deficiency of nutrients disease. Which deficiency causes marasmus? Already I told you in the starting. Protein and calories, if they are less intaken or completely absent in your diet, it leads to marasmus disease. It's very dangerous, chronic nutritional deficiency disease, where you can find very poor growth of muscles, ribs will be visible clearly, very thin and lean the person, the child, and dry skin, diarrhea, poor muscle growth. These all the symptoms are seen in the marasmus disease. Okay, right. You can see the picture clearly. It's very horrible. It's very chronic disease, which leads to death of the children also sometimes. This can be seen in the African countries very oftenly. Okay? Right. These two diseases are nothing but nutritional deficiency diseases, not by excess, by less intake. Right. And let me say, after this, excess intake of nutrients. By excess intake also, we have some diseases like obesity. The best disease is obesity. What is obesity? Not by proteins, not by vitamins, not by minerals. It is caused by excess intake of carbohydrate containing food items. The baby will be very fat, stout, and not able to move properly. Excess carbohydrate leads to increasing of fats. Then the baby automatically, you can see gradually, he will be very fluffy, very fat. You can see in the picture itself. Clear. Right? Okay? These are undernutritional diseases, excess nutritional diseases. Under in the sense of deficiency, excess in the sense overconsumption. And the first one, let me repeat once again, recapitulate once again. Kwashiorkor disease caused by protein deficiency. Marasmus disease caused by protein and calorie deficiency. What is calorie? Carbohydrates. What is protein? You know, protein containing food items. These two are deficiency. But whereas obesity, what I told you, it's caused by excess intake of carbohydrates. These type of sugar you can see very oftenly in that. Thank you. I hope you understood all of it.